Hey, what's going on guys, Poutine here, and today I'm going to teach you how to use and set up the Azenix rig for Cinema 4D. So the very first thing you want to do is make your way over to the GFX assets channel in the Letus garden, where I will be putting the rig. Make sure you download it, and then after put it on your desktop or any folder, it doesn't really matter as long as you know where it is. And then you want to extract the files. You'll be met with 4 files. The only important one is the Azenix pack.lib4d. You can delete all the other files, including the zip file, unless you want to save it for a later date. So once you have this file right here, make your way over to Cinema 4D, right click it, and open File Location. And once you're here, hop over to Library and Browser, and after drag the file into the folder right here. I already have mine installed, but what you want to do is just make sure that's in the folder. So once you have that installed, exit out of the folder and then hop over to Cinema 4D. Now once you're here, make your way over to Content Browser and then Presets, Azenix Pack, Rig, Azenix Rig V1, and the GFX preset. And bada bing bada boom, you just imported and properly set up the Azenix rig. So now we teach you how to combine a ROBLOX avatar with the rig. So make your way over to ROBLOX Studio. And then after import your character, I already have mine imported. Make sure that the face is facing the same way that the blue arrow is facing. To get this feature, make sure that show grid is enabled. So once you have this all set up, select your character, and then after export selection, not save the file, export selection. And then after, go ahead and create a folder. I have mine named video, and name your file. So once that's all done, go back to Cinema 4D. And then File, Merge, and then select video.obj, not .mlt or text.png. You want the obj. Now press OK, and you'll be met with a small tiny avatar right there. That is completely normal. Just hop back over to Objects, open up the group, and select everything in the group. So make the size of all the XYZ to 100, and then hit Apply. And there you have it. You got the first part. You can see your avatar is sort of invisible. I will teach you how to make it non-invisible. So just want to open up the texture and then deselect transparency and alpha and hop over to editor, and after click no scaling. Now exit out, and then you want to quickly delete the whole avatar besides the hat. And you should be left with something just like this. So then you want to open up the black texture right here. And then after, you want to select your texture.png file. Click no. You don't want to click yes because then you have a duplicate file and you don't want to have duplicates. Now just exit out here and you pretty much almost have it all set up. Just move the hat so that it's properly aligned with the rig so you don't see any head. There we go. That seems a lot better now. Everything seems to be aligned. So you want to open up the group right here, make sure that head attachments is open, and then select everything inside this group and drag it into the head attachments, and then delete the video.obj. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and set up the Azenix rig. Now you can select here, move the rig around, bada bing bada boom. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys later.